boy Alex, Audio Tech, coming at you guys with with another one. I'm sorry, I don't know, I just lost focus, and that's why I paused there for a little bit. But we got the ZEALOT speaker. I did a number on the box. It did not come with like this. Amazon did not send me this package like this. It's that I got so many speakers. One of the heavier speakers fell on top of this one. But yeah, I wanted to review it because I did unbox it on my other channel. But I mean, consider this unboxing because, you know, this is a whole nother channel. And I used it just to see how it went. It's an awesome speaker. So let's just look at the details. It's called the ZEALOT-S79 Extra Speaker Base. Okay, so we got a memory card, we got USB, we got waterproof, we got to sync. Okay, let's see what we got on the side. You can link it with other speakers. Let's see what we got in the back. It supports Bluetooth version 5.2, charging volt DC V5 5 volt. Okay, speaker. What else? And it does. I really wanted it in this army fatigue color, but for some reason ZEALOT doesn't have the army fatigue color on Amazon. They only have it on Shein, and Shein is charging me way too much for the speaker, $200 and something. And I actually got it for $105 on Amazon. So I was like, I'm not gonna pay $205 what was it, $250. So I wasn't gonna pay an extra $245 just to get it in camouflage. I was like, if they drop it, then I'll buy it in camouflage. But this is a great speaker. I know it's IPX. Let me see, because on Amazon it has the whole breakdown. I don't know why the box doesn't say it. Like, it's just ZEALOT. I like you guys, but you gotta, you know, you gotta get your stuff together. Sorry, I had to do that because that's how I scanned to find the product. Okay, so here we go. See exactly what I'm talking about. And there's $6 off. So this speaker will be in the comment section down below, pinned with the affiliate link. Right now you get $6 off. It's $105 minus, you know, $6. And this is the speaker. And it has a 24,000 milliamp battery, 100 watts of power. And what is the water resistant on it? Let me see. IPX6. See, IPX6 waterproof. You can't take it to the beach because it's got to say IPX, not IPX, but IP waterproof, and then it'll be dust proof as well. But when it says X, it means it's not dust or sand proof. So you can't take this to the beach. To a pool, a camping site, yeah, but not to the beach. So here it goes, guys. So yeah, let's get this open and show you guys what it sounds like. Here we go. And this little bag brings the cables, I think it is. Let me see. We're about to take a look at it. Okay, the user guide. I don't care about the user guide. We got a USB Type-C to Type-C breaded cable. Wow. Yeah, this is an unboxing because I don't remember seeing this. I didn't check this at all. So we got a breaded cable. That's what's up. That is good. It comes with a breaded cable, and then it has the auxiliary cord. Wow, I didn't know it had a breaded cable. And of course, we got the user manual right here in case you need it. I don't need it. So I love that. So yeah, that's crazy. It has a breaded cable, like if it would have been an iPhone or something. And we got the straps for you right here. We do have the straps. But this is a very heavy speaker, so, well, I would say like 5 or 6 pounds. So I recommend using the strap. Here we go. Boom, in its full glory. There we go. See, this is a massive brick of a speaker. Let me bring the camera down some. Right there, perfect, so you guys can see it. I'm recording in 1080p because for some reason when I record in 4K for you guys, it dummies it down. Like YouTube, I don't know why. I guess because it'll take too long because I upload on my phones using Wi-Fi or using my AT&T, well, Cricket or Visible or T-Mobile business uplink. And their uplink is fast. Like my T-Mobile business uplink is over 100 megs up. But it still takes forever. So I guess they throttle it down to 1080p. So I'm just going to record in 1080p at 30 frames per second, guys. So still great quality video, though. So let's get this powered up. I love this. This is what got me to buy this speaker. It's the lights in the bottom, guys. The lights in the bottom. So let's play some non-copyrighted music to make YouTube happy. And you already know, I always play the same non-copyrighted song because, like I said, it keeps me out of trouble with YouTube, which is this one. And it has lights in the capacitive radiators. It looks amazing. I love this speaker. And here goes the back. We got the USB Type-C to charge it. The auxiliary cord. USB Type-C out port. Let me lower it down so you guys can hear me better. USB Type-C out port. Wow. This one's to charge it, and this one's a USB. And you also got USB Type-A. And you got the micro SD memory card slot. And you got the auxiliary. Wow. Wow. This speaker, Jesus. Damn, sorry. I hit the camera by mistake, guys. Hit the camera by mistake. Wow, guys. I'm like wild right now with this. So let's rewind this real quick. Turn this bad boy up and show you this bass. This is halfway right now. And your lights got to be green in order for your bass, your equalizer bass to be the best. I learned that on YouTube. Let's turn it up. All the way up, baby. I will say this. In copyrighted music, which I cannot play, it sounds way louder and the bass hits a lot harder. A lot harder. It's just an amazing speaker. Zealot makes great speakers, guys. And that's why I wanted to bring this video to you guys. I have a lot of, I'm pretty sure I have a lot of you guys on here that'll agree with me. I'm sorry, I'm dyslexic, so sometimes I get tongue twisted. But the speaker is amazing. The speaker is amazing. And I highly recommend it, man. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up. You're a female, you want a gift for your husband, for your boyfriend, for your fiance, for your best friend. As a gift to your father, your grandfather, whoever, they're gonna love the speaker. They are definitely gonna love the speaker. It's definitely worth it. The original price used to be on the speaker $450. You know, and the fact that Sheen is still charging $250 for the speaker is, it's just proof in itself. I even got my boy to buy one. He even bought the same one because he fell in love with it. You know, the lights in the bottom, the lights in the capacitive radiators that you guys seen, the bass hitting hard. It is definitely a major great buy. A major great buy, guys. So, you know, like I said, the affiliate link will be in the comment section down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you have any questions. And subscribe to your boy for more. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. You already. And thank you for watching, guys.